Hello and welcome, DRV.MasterBuilder. Today I've got an issue. My exhaust has started rattling. One of the interior tailpipe metal bafflers, I want to say. So how am I going to solve this, you say? I could possibly take it off at the back, which is too small. Change the exhaust, do that too, it's costly. Save myself some money. I'm going to remove the tips. So stay with me and on the way we go. Engine starter, catalytic converter. So there we are so far. Now the fun bit. This is my R33 shell with a 50 volt engine. Interior, more to come. Track day, more to come. That, more to come. So stay tuned, subscribe. Thank you for the likes and the follows.